Hello guys, have you ever wanted to sound like a robot, a cartoon character, or even create your unique voice? With the right tools, it's easier than you think. Voice changers are incredibly popular among gamers and content creators, adding personality and fun to their projects. But most voice changers are either too expensive or too complicated to use. That's where Elevenlabs comes in, a powerful free AI voice changer that lets you create custom voices quickly and easily. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Now let's get started. Elevenlabs makes voice changing simple and accessible. Here's why it stands out. 1. AI-powered precision uses advanced AI to ensure smooth, realistic voice transformations. 2. Diverse voice options. You can choose from thousands of high-quality voices in 29 languages. 3. Fast and high quality. Generate audio quickly with Elevenlabs Turbo model in seconds. 4. Secure and reliable. Advanced encryption ensures safe and consistent performance. Now let's get started on making your voice changer with Elevenlabs. Step 1. Go to Elevenlabs website and sign up for your account. Then tap Voice Changer to start. Step 2. Choose the voices from Voice Library. There are thousands of voices like narrative, conversational, characters in social media, etc.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old.
It's not about what we have or what we achieve, but about how we experience each moment.
I failed over and over and over again in my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, space enthusiasts and cosmic explorers,
life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Next, add to your voices. Tap Voice Changer again and select the voice that you added. Then upload your audio file. Elevenlabs isn't just another sound effect tool. It's powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Here's what makes it stand out. First, it's free, perfect for creators on a budget. Second, it offers customization. Step 3. Now customize your settings, including stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. You can even remove background noise from your audio. Step 4. Then click Generate Speech. After a while, your custom voice changer will be successfully created. Now hear how your voice sounds.
Elevenlabs isn't just another sound effect tool. It's powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Here's what makes it stand out. First, it's free, perfect for creators on a budget. Second, it offers customization. You can tweak prompt influence and duration to match your needs. Finally, it's user-friendly. Even if you're new to sound design, you'll feel right at home.
Amazing, right? Then you can download the audio to use. With just a few steps, you've unlocked the power of Elevenlabs to create a professional quality voice changer. Now give it a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.